everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to log into OLX using Facebook account. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials for our helpful web tutorials and videos. Moving on today's topic, we will show you how to log in OLX using Facebook account. You can download the OLX application from Play Store freely. You can install it. Also be logged into your Facebook account from your Facebook app. Well, OLX is the network for marketplaces where you can buy and sell products. So tap open to OLX application, and here in the login you can see to continue with Facebook. Tap on continue with Facebook, and it will ask you to give access to your information from your Facebook profile. So tap on continue. Now you have to give access to your location and then choose what things you want to look up to in the OLX over here. Therefore, you can see you are already logged in with your Facebook account information in OLX. Go to the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. You can see you are logged as your username from Facebook. So in this way you can log into OLX with Facebook account. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching our video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. If you have any comments or suggestions, you can mention them in the comment section.